Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm the clinical esthetician at 2301 Plastic Surgery. Halo is a hybrid fractional laser that combines both ablative and non-ablative wavelengths to stimulate new skin cells and collagen production. The ablative wavelengths remove the outer layer of the skin, while the non-ablative wavelengths heat the underlying tissue. Both processes stimulate the body's natural healing response to produce healthy new tissue and collagen. And as the skin recovers from the laser treatment, it becomes healthier, smoother, tighter, and with fewer signs of UV damage. It's really that next level one-stop treatment to address UV damage, dyschromia, melasma, fine lines and wrinkles, laxity, texture, and pores. Halo also allows us to customize your treatment to fit your skin's needs and lifestyle. The number of treatments necessary will depend on the condition of your skin at the start of the treatment, your individual treatment goals, and the intensity of each treatment. Most patients will require between 2 to 4 treatments with maintenance done every 12 to 18 months. As with any procedure, this treatment does not stop the aging process. We encourage all of our patients to protect their investment by using high-quality skincare products in your everyday home care regimen.